The Sailor Circus Academy has always been a place of wonder, inspiration, and awe. We're going to talk about this shortly. Imagine all of the magical memories that have been made right here at the amazing Sailor Circus Arena. You now have the first opportunity ever to name these brand new seats. Now you can be a part of the legacy of the Sailor Circus Academy,
where we can bring laughter, joy, and light into people's lives.
Where I can challenge myself
to be the best I can be.
Think about it. Each seat represents a child, a mother, a father, a grandparent, generations of families sharing a magical experience. This is a place of excellence where traditions are honored.
And new traditions are made. Naming a seat will secure future opportunities for families to connect in the largest youth circus training facility in the nation. Let's take a peek at a training session in progress. What? It's circus. Anything can happen.
Remember the approach, okay? It starts right there. Starts before you even go with the trick, okay? You just gotta follow through, okay? All right, here we go.
Nothing better than the feeling of accomplishment. Not all of our students become circus artists, but the persistence, discipline, and teamwork they learn while they are here will carry them forward in any career they choose.
Sailor Circus has a proud tradition of 73 years. We tip our hats to Coach Lee, the many directors and coaches who have followed in his footsteps.
I am proud to be a circus board member and to chair this fundraising effort. Proceeds from the Sailor Circus Fund will provide scholarships, equipment, costumes, and more for generations of young artists. Our goal is to name every seat and raise $150,000. With your help, I know that we can secure the future of Sailor Circus.
We grew from humble beginnings, but one thing that has never changed is our passion and dedication to this beautiful art form that honors our heritage and enhances the lives of children of all ages and brings our communities together.
Since the Circus Arts Conservatory took over the Sailor Circus operations in 2011, we've increased the number of students, we've added new and innovative education programs, we've expanded our summer camp program, we've opened up classes to the public, and we've hired more coaches and staff. Last year, we completed a capital campaign that allowed for a $5 million renovation of this arena that gave us these seats that we are sitting in.
We hope that you will be proud to place your name or the name of a loved one or the name of somebody you would like to memorialize on our arena seats.
And our arena just got a complete makeover.
The new lights.
The new sets. The new sound. La 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 la.
And wonderful air conditioning. These seats are comfortable.
We'd like to thank you.
Dolly wants us to tell them about the plaque.
What plaque?
That plaque.
That plaque?
No, that plaque.
Oh, this plaque.
I'll take it from here. Engraving your name on this plaque and having it placed on a seat ties you to our circus legacy and is easy to do. For as little as $100, you can name a seat. Please go online at circusarts.org or call 941-355-9335 to make your selection and support our mission. From these seats, families will experience all that Sailor Circus has to offer for many more years to come. This is your opportunity to help us inspire the next generation through performance, training, outreach, and legacy. Thank you.
And thank you to our community, which continues to support
the greatest little show on earth.
And we're saving this seat for you.